The Program Monitor in Adobe Premiere Pro is your primary way to view and play back the edited sequence as it appears in your timeline. Here's what it does. 1. Playback and preview. It allows you to play back your sequence to see how your edits look in real time. You can start, stop, and scrub through your sequence using the playback controls. 2. View edits. You can see the results of your editing decisions, such as cuts, transitions, and effects. This helps you ensure that your sequence flows smoothly and looks just the way you want it. 3. Monitor resolution. You can adjust the resolution of the playback to suit your system's performance. This is useful if you're working with high-resolution footage on a lower-powered machine. 4. Full screen mode. You can switch to full screen mode for a more detailed view of your sequence by pressing the tilde key. 5. Markers and overlays. You can add markers and see overlays like safe margins to help with your editing process. The Program Monitor is essentially your window into the final look of your edited sequence, making it a crucial tool for any video editor.